Hello friends, I'm Dr. Sonal Mota speaking from the platform of Help Library. Today's topic is role of homeopathy in psychologically affected children. Now, basically, how is the psychology of the child affected? When mother who is handling the child is too much in stress, we talk, police will take you away, your father will scold you, teacher will be angry. The result is the child either has passage of urine in the night called nocturnal enuresis. So the medication for that is creosol, Sina. We work on the causative factors. Another modality that will arise, there could be nervousness, there could be stammering, there could be fear, there could be fear of darkness, phosphorus will come, fear of going to new places, fear of closed rooms, especially lift. In that, constitutional remedies will help. Children many a times are afraid of giving interviews in schools. At that time, fear of approaching new persons. So, practice is required and constitutional medicines will help that time. Another thing, that different methods have to be used to see that the child grasp everything. Many a times we feel that the child's memory is less. We feel the child's grasping is less. But is that so? Is really medicine required for that? No. I would say what you need to do is take some oil, almond oil, and massage the scalp of the child, massage the soles of the feet, and put some ghee in the umbilicus. What will happen when the child is relaxed? The child will be able to grasp properly. Anyway, a few tips for that. A few medication names I'll suggest you, but my dear parents, be cautious. All this has to be taken under proper guidance of a homeopathic physician. The name of the medicine is anacardium or Beraitacab. Many a times we feel that children are not working or growing in pace with their age. There is a slowing of their growth. At that time, what will we give? Medicines are given on constitutional basis in that case. A lot of help can be done to such children, but I would name a few medications, that is calcarea carb, Beraita group, Sina, Lycopodium. Sometimes miasmatic medicines are also added. I would like to say that children basically have lack of confidence. This happens because when we are talking to the children, repeatedly we are commenting on them. Our negative comments. अरे तूने इतना टाइम ले लिया, इतना टाइम लगता है क्या, अरे तू तो धब्बू का धब्बू ही रहेगा, तू देख तेरा फ्रेंड कितना जल्दी कर लेता है. Comparison. Using the language that will lower the self-esteem of the child will create lack of confidence. So what is required is that you need to basically appreciate the child and do a lot of practice. This will increase the self-confidence of the child. My dear friends, three things are important in raising the children. One is constant hugging. One. Number two, practice. Number three, you limit the child's time in front of the computer or the TV. So a time boundary has to be left. There are side effects for using mobile or TV app for a long time. And please keep a watch at what your child is looking in the TV. The child may be seeing movies of horror. Your child may be seeing some scenes where people are fighting, some scenes where they are killing each other. All this has a negative impact on the subconscious mind of the child, and this replays repeatedly and causes effects on the organs of the body, and psychosomatic diseases are produced. So, my dear mother and father of the child, what is important is that you limit the time of TV and see that they see channels which are educative only. Create a passion in the child on what they can learn and earn or what they love, so that that will become their passion. Another thing is how to basically develop qualities that they can teach their younger children. Because if children will teach younger children of what they are learning, their confidence will improve. I have seen this in many of my patients. In a family, there are 3, 4 children, maybe 8 years, 6 years, 3 years. The 8-year-old child is teaching the 3-year-old child. So he is revising everything, and the concept of studies becomes very easy, like a game. So one point is, see that the mother is cool and calm. Number two, see that the lifestyle of the child is disciplined. Number four, always be positive, affirmative, and the mother be mentally relaxed when she talk to the child. Beautiful medicines of biochemic are also available for the children, like Califos to relax the child, Natrum Mur, the crying child who requires extra salt. But again, a word of caution, only after meeting the correct homeopathic physician, medication be given. No ready-made prescription is there, but my dear parents, only one word of caution, that is, all the diseases in the body and in the mind are only due to the external surroundings of the house, the behavior of the parents, the grandparents, family and friends with the children, and what they view in TV and computer. If the mother and the father keep a proper sequence of all this, then definitely the child will not be psychologically affected, and they themselves, how they behave, the child will be the same. So again, I repeat, instead of taking medication, the parents have to signal each other whenever they feel there is a disturbance in the communication between them, and talk afterwards. So I summarize everything in 3 lines. First, awareness in parents, understanding of husband and wife. Second, motivating the children. Third, homeopathic medication from guidance of parents. And guidance of homeopathic physicians. Last but not the least, do not give mobile to your child when you are working and you want to do some other work. Many mothers give mobile games to the child when they want to do some work. No, give them some other work which they will enjoy, be passionate, and they will learn something. You have to think of such things. All games are available. How matching work can be done, coloring, painting, playing chess, and lot of things. Just give them a paint and let them scribble. Let many books be spoiled. In the same way, during the day, there's a lot of time. How will you occupy the child? The mother has a problem. If I am working, what do I do? You need to think of such strategies, discuss it with your husband, and then occupy the child in a proper way so the mind will be happy, blissful, and all will go well with the child. The child is the reflection of how and what environment you give to the child. Homeopathy will do a good. Definitely it will change all the psychological symptoms. In my experience, I have seen stammering, nocturnal enuresis, lack of confidence, nervousness, tendency for convulsions, even squint, but all psychosomatic illnesses, they even go to asthma, wheezing due to fear. So my last word of caution is, see that your behavior is very good and make changes in the diet also. And in the diet, you will not give the child any pack items. No bread, no biscuit, no cakes, everything homemade and freshly made. Lot of things are available. My dear friends, please follow this plan and see that your children live a very healthy life. Another thing, hug your child, appreciate your child, give proper instructions and check them. Another thing, stop, correct and check. This you can tell your child to do whenever he is doing any task. So if he does a mistake, he learns to improve himself. My dear friends, thank you for looking at the video. Share and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much once again, my gurus, Dr. Pushpa Chhaparia, my mother, and Help Library. Thank you very much.
Help Talks are daily health-related talks held at Health Education Library for People, Mumbai, India. For more information visit www.healthlibrary.com. Subscribe to Help Talks channel. Be better informed about your health.